Hi, I'm Ben Orford and we're in the workshop again today, and we thought it'd be a great opportunity to actually introduce what we're going to call Work in Progress Wednesdays. So we thought it'd be a fun thing to actually show you what we get up to in a normal week. It varies from time to time, so sometimes we'll be working on certain projects, and obviously that's the excitement about being self-employed. You never know what's going to be happening the following week. So this week's been really good. We've had a real mixture again, like we always have. So started off the week with doing a little bit of heat treatment. So we were heat treating some stainless steels, so RWL34 and AEBL steel. So I love it because it's real scientific, so it takes lots of different processes, including using liquid nitrogen for a cryo quench and things like that. So really exciting, and I love that kind of science that goes into the knife making as well. Also quite exciting because these are going to be some of our first stainless steel versions of our little atom axes. So they're normally in carbon steel, so we've actually made the first few in AEBL steel, so that's going to be a real nice little addition for anybody that's taking it fishing, using it in very wet weather and things like that. Also been working on crook knives and carving tools. That's probably one of our sort of main projects that we've always got going on, as well as other bigger projects like the knives and the parangs. We tend to do a lot of carving tools and crook knives, so we're working on a big batch of crook knives. So these are our medium crook knives, and then we've also been doing some of our standard range as well. Even been making these special ones for a company that want our logo putting on there, and they also want their corporate logo putting on the other side of the handle. And that's the great thing, now that we've got a CO2 laser in-house, it means we can personalise stuff for different clients or personal individuals if they want names, dates, things like that add into their tools. So really quite good fun, really. So yeah, we thought it'd be a nice addition to our other videos that we do, sort of how-tos and things like that, that you could follow us in a normal sort of working week in the workshop and see what we've been up to. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and tune in every week and see what we've been doing. Thanks again.